we just made 280% profit on the private list. The reason I share my trades in the private list is because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. So we trade together. We buy low before the market and sell up high. Trade recap today. You got a Bipro Network, Bridge, Stargate Finance, Aptos, and MegaTF. The coin is going to run flat, volume spike, buy a power, and we buy before the pump. Okay, never buy after the pump. Let me give you a quick example here. Bridge. I got a volume spike right here. You see the single candle here, Charles? So the volume spike happened right here. So I shared this trade in the private list on Friday 20. When I shared this trade in the private list, price was $3.70, and we put a sell order right here at daily resist at $60. I made $60,000 in this trade. Some members they made little more or little less. The important is to buy before the pump. Okay, guys, that's the reason I don't share day trade level 2, because I like the members has at least 12 hours to trade. Okay, so we focus on volume, guys. $137 million, 190 million, 1.7 million. That means $1 billion. Okay, I'm sorry. So that's how you make money. You trade penny coins will pump. We buy before the market and sell up high. Next trade we get is Stargate Finance. Same strategy. You see the candles here as a buyer power, volume spike. So I shared this trade in the private list. The price was 44 cents and you put a sell order right here at 70 cents. I made 6,500 this coin. And one more coin, Metaverse. I shared this trade in the private list on 21, almost 21, between 20 and 21. We bought this coin for 0.007 and you put a sell order right here, 13. I made 7,500. Guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. So Trade Crypto members, we buy before the market and sell up high. Give me a like this video, share, let's trade together because together we are strong. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.